everyone. It is Tip Tuesday, and I want to show you how to use um, projects that you've already created to create another one. So I make journals every month, and so I use the same. Like the front page is different, but then there's some pages inside that are the same. So this is an easy way to make your journal quick, okay? Or any other kind of project that you're working on that you use the same pages over and over again. All right, so I just went into journal. It gave me journal size, yeah, 8 by 5.5 by 11. So I'm starting with a blank thing, and then I'm going to go up here. This will be empty. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to write journal. Um, first, sorry, backtrack a little bit. Go down to the file folder that says projects. So at first I was in elements, design. There is all kinds of journal pages, journal covers, and all that. But since I sell these, I start from a blank one and just use the stuff that I've already created. Okay, so I'm going to go down to projects now, and I'm going to search your content. I'm going to search journal. Let's spell that right. Okay, and then enter, and then all my designs with my journals will come up. So this was one, and see how they have the same pages, not the same pages, but all these pages, right? So what I can do is I can apply all 57 pages and just copy and paste the other journal information. I'm not going to do all of them because of the fact that like the prompts and stuff, I do the bulk create. So there wouldn't be no point of doing that. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and I will do the journal cover because I'll change that up. I will always have that. And I will always have that. Now, I will have week one things, but it won't be this. But I'll still keep it because I'll just be switching things out. Let's see here. I will do the quote because I just put the quotes in there and add a picture. And weekly reflections, I always have that. I will take that one out. Add page. Let's see here. Those are the prompts. Okay, and then probably go down here and get the rest. More notes. There's that. Then the monthly, and then the thank you page. Okay. So, and then it has a little thing. So now all I basically need to do is, just create the rest of the pages and switch out the colors. And remember, you can do the color switching out pretty easily. All right, so that's a color pink that I have. And what if I want to change all of them to yellow? Okay. And down here it says change all. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It says the color was changed across the pages. All right. So, yep, there we go. It changed it. So That is a simple way to change things out that you've already created and that you're going to create again. Okay? So, hope you like that tip.